Hello friends, this is Koushik, your German language trainer, and in this session let us learn about clothing, and I welcome you all to KoolSchool. So the topic is clothing, that is in German is called as Kleidung. Kleidung. It has the article D Kleidung. As I said in my earlier session, any word ending with UNG has the article D, right? So it is D Kleidung, that means clothing. Here is a list of a few male clothes and female clothes. So the first one is shirt. Shirt or formal shirt is called as hemmed. Hemmed. It has the article thus hemmed. And next one is t-shirt. T-shirt is called as t-shirt itself, and it has the article thus t-shirt. Next one is jacket. Jacket is called as yake. Yake, not jake but yake with the article D yake. And next is pullover. Pullover is called as pullover itself with the article der pullover. Next is suit. Suit is called as Anzug. Der Anzug. And next is pants or trousers is called as hose. Hose with the article D hose. Next is jeans. Jeans is called as jeans itself with the article D jeans. Next, belt is called as Gürtel, and it is masculine. Der Gürtel. Next is tie. Tie is called as Krawatte with the article D Krawatte. And next is shoes. Shoes is called as Schuhe, D Schuhe. And next one is cap. Cap is called as Mütze, D Mütze. Cap or hat is called as Mütze. And next is gown. Gown or frock, both are called as Kleid. It has the article thus Kleid. Mean it can be gown or it can be frock. And next is blouse, that is blouse. Blouse is called as blouse, D blouse. Next, ladies skirt is called as rock, der rock. It is masculine. Next is stockings. Stockings is called as Strümpfe, D Strümpfe. Next is boots. Boots is called as Stiefel, D Stiefel. Shoes is called as Schuhe. Boots is called as Stiefel. There is a difference, D Stiefel. So these are the different male clothes and female clothes that you normally come across. Friends, here let us understand two new verbs related to clothing and its verb conjugation. Let us understand this better through these examples, that is few questions and few answers. So the verbs tragen and anziehen means to wear. The verb to wear has two meanings in German. That is, one is tragen and the other one is anziehen. Anziehen is a separable verb. An is the prefix and you only have to conjugate ziehen. Now let us understand this through this example. The first verb is tragen. So here is an example with the verb tragen. So a question can be like this: Welche Kleidung tragen Sie? That means which clothing you wear. That is a formal way of asking. An informal way would be with the usage of du. That is, welche Kleidung trägst du? Trägst du. Trägst is for the pronoun du and tragen is for the pronoun sie. So the second one is the informal way of asking. And you can answer like this: Ich trage, that is I wear. Ich trage das Hemd und die Jeans. I wear the shirt and the jeans. Ich trage das Hemd und die Jeans. So as we came across this verb tragen, let us understand this verb conjugation according to different pronouns. So the first person, as I said, is ich trage, that is I wear. You wear is du trägst, as I mentioned here. Du trägst. and he, she, it wears will be RCS trägt. Trägt. You have umlaut for second person and third person singular. Only in these two cases you have umlaut, and rest all you don't have umlaut. And we wear is wir tragen, and you all wear is ihr tragt. They wear is sie tragen with small s, and with capital S sie will be you with respect. You wear is sie tragen. So this is the verb conjugation of tragen. So the next verb is anziehen. Let us understand this verb anziehen through this example. Question can be like this: welche Kleidung ziehen Sie an? That is, which clothing you wear. The meaning is same, just with a different verb. Welche Kleidung ziehen Sie an? As I said, anziehen is a separable verb. More about separable verb I have addressed in another session. You can go through another session about separable verb. So here only the prefix you keep it in the end, and you conjugate this second verb. So welche Kleidung ziehen Sie an? This is formal way of asking with the usage of sie. And informal way with do will be like this: welche Kleidung ziehst du an? Ziehst du. For do you need ziehst, and for sie you need ziehen. Ziehst du an. This an is the prefix, it remains the same for all the pronouns. You just keep the an in the end. So this is informal way. And answer will be like this: I wear the shirt and the jeans will be here used ich trage, here you should use ich ziehe. Ich ziehe das Hemd und die Jeans and an, and you need the prefix an in the end, else it will have a different meaning. You should keep that prefix in the end. Don't forget to keep the prefix in the end. It should be in the end of a sentence. Ich ziehe das Hemd und die Jeans an. That means I wear the shirt and the jeans. So let us understand this verb anziehen more with this verb conjugation according to different pronouns. So as I said, for first person singular is ich ziehe an. That is ich ziehe and the prefix an in the end. And the second person singular will be du ziehst an. Du ziehst an. And he, she, it wears will be RCS zieht an. Zieht an. In the sentence it will be like this: sieht das Hemd und die Jeans an. An should go in the end. And we wear will be wir ziehen an. You all wear will be ihr zieht an. Ihr zieht an. They wear will be sie ziehen an with small s, and you with respect is capital S sie. That is sie ziehen an. So these are the two new verbs, tragen and anziehen. That means to wear. So that's all from today's session about clothing and few verbs, verb conjugations, and few questions. Thank you so much guys for following. See you in my next session with yet another topic. Choose.